Okay, so now we're doing the test review for Chapter 2, Part 2. We're doing question 20, 21, and 22. Okay, it says find the slope of the line and sketch the graph. So, what's your favorite equation for slope of a line? Y equals mx plus b. So if I solve this for y, it will tell me the slope. So let's do that. So let's go 7y equals negative 3x. I'm going to get y by itself, divide by 7. It looks a little weird because there's no b value. So it doesn't quite look the same. So if you're missing your y-intercept number here at the end, you can just go plus 0. That means your y-intercept is 0. And here your slope is this. So what does it say? What is the slope? So type it in here, negative 3 over 7. Now it says you need to graph it. So because there was no number after this, then I know my y-intercept is 0. So it intersects the y-axis here at 0. And negative 3 over 7, that means go down 3 and right 7. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. There. So there's my line. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Find the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points. So, slope of a line, we have this formula. Okay, so let's write the formula down. So slope, which equals m, I subtract my y's, I subtract my y's, and I subtract my x's, and I always go from point 2 first, and then point 1. Okay, so let's subtract my y's. I can go this one, subtract this one. Now I can do this one, subtract this one, the x's. Okay, there's so many negatives, I have to be careful. So let's negative 5 subtract positive 8, negative 2 subtract negative 7. I have to be very careful because you can lose a negative easily. So now, what is that? So I have negative 5 subtract 8, negative 2 subtract negative 7. Okay, so there's my slope. Oh, there it is right there. So B, that's my slope. Okay, now it says find the slope of the line containing these 2 points. So it says there's a line that has these 2 points on it. What's the slope? Oh, it's the same thing as what we just did here. Okay, so my slope is equal to m, which is equal to subtract my y's on the top, subtract my x's on the bottom, do 0.2 first, then 0.1. So I'm going to do my y's. 1 subtract 10, negative 8 subtract 9. Let's check. 1 subtract 10, negative 8 subtract 9. That looks good. I'm being careful because I can easily lose a negative somewhere. So 9 over 7, 9 over 17. So then here the slope is 9 over 17. There.